Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your first week of August reading start from the 1st to the 7th of August 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Leo. So let's see what is coming up for Leos for this week time. Before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings, and you can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started. Let's find out what is heading towards the Leos in the first week time. I could see the Nine of Cups. So for some of you, maybe you're getting your wish fulfilled in this week time. And the wish can be around any area of your life. But yes, I do see that you will be happy. You will be having your wish fulfilled in this week time for sure. Let's see. Two of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Six of Swords, Two of Wands. Underneath the deck, you do have the Hermit. There is this a strong feeling that you have feeling that you're feeling for a person in your life. You really want to have a stable connection with this person. You really want to have you really want to come out of that inner conflict that you're having around this person right now in your life. And it seems like you're tired of juggling. You're tired of being in that state of inner conflict. You're tired of trying to understand what is important for you, this person, this connection, or something else in your life. I don't see it's more of another person in your life. I feel like it's more of something else. It can be a different person for the some of you. Maybe you are juggling between two people in your life and you really don't know who is more important to you. But at the same time, I feel like for others of you it's going to be something else. Like you're juggling what is more important, your work or your person, your family or your person. What is it that is more important to you? Your emotions, your feelings are going to get overwhelmed for this person, whoever it is that you are dealing with in your life right now, and you are going to be wishing and hoping that someday, sometime, your life gets there where you have where you can see it moving towards in the right direction, where you can feel that okay fine, like now things are going in the right direction and everything is going to be working out well for you. I do see that you really want your wish fulfilled right now, about your person, about the situation that you are dealing with in your life right now. But at the same time, I don't see you having a plan to go about in your life right now. I do see that you need a lot of strength to figure out what is it that you want. As you are starting of the week with that confusion, with that inner conflict, you are ending the week with the same energy. Meanwhile, you are going to think, okay, fine, you have this strong emotion for this person, but at the same time, what can you do? You really want things. You are being very wishful during this time. You want certain things in your life, but you are not taking the right actions. You are not taking the right decisions, which can bring you your wish fulfilled. You are thinking, overthinking, thinking, overthinking, but no action is being taken here in this week time, which is going to be the delay for what you want in your life. It's like you are being wishful but no action is taken. So thinking is not going to get you anywhere. It's like you know what you want to do, but at the same time you get confused. Do I really need that? Do I really want this? And it's again gets you back in the same loop where you are thinking, overthinking, thinking, overthinking. So I feel like you really have to understand, you really have to decide for yourself what is it that you truly want. And if you want this person, if you want this relationship, what is it that is stopping you from taking that decision? What is it? Try to figure out. You're thinking, but you're thinking whether you want this or you don't want this. You are unable to make up your mind around it. But at the same time, if and only if you could make up your mind, what is more important, this person or that person, this person or something else in your life. If you make up your mind around that, then only you will be able to plan things out. You will be able to see through the whole situation, plan or take the baby steps towards what you want. Right now you're just overthinking with no plan to go about. So it's like until and unless you make that decision, you are not going to have the plan. until and unless you have the plan, you are unable to reach to the point where you want to reach. It's like, you have no goal set here right now, because it's like you are confused about the goal. Once you have decided your goal, then only you will be able to take the right steps towards it. Until and unless you know your goal, you won't be able to get there. So that's the issue here in the first week time. So let's take two more cards from the top of the deck. Four of Swords, thinking, overthinking, thinking, overthinking, not taking the right actions, not taking the right move forward. Uh, Four of Swords, Knight of Swords, and then Four of Cups again. So Hermit underneath that, Eight of Cups underneath that, Five of Wands. No, you are not taking the right action. I don't see you moving forward in any way. You're starting off the week with the same energy, ending the week with the same stagnant energy. So it's not heading anywhere. It's like, you have emotions for this person, but at the same time, not taking action is not going to lead you anywhere. So you are pretty much stuck in your life right now. That's why I'm picking up very strongly here. So let's take the Oracle card. Let's see what the Oracle has to add to the reading for you guys for this time. Pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. Again, it's like, you have been ignoring all the signs that have been showing up. It seems like, the universe really wants you to take action here, and it's like you are not taking the action. For some reasons, I feel like, maybe the person that you are dealing with, they are going to move on if you don't take the right action towards them, because the signs are cautioning you. You have already taken a lot. I feel like, you have been stagnant in this situation for quite some time already. If you don't take the right move forward now, they are going to leave you. They are not going to stay there waiting for you to make that decision finally for them, for this relationship. And it's high time you take the right decision. It's high time you make that, move forward. And to be honest, I don't see it happening this week time. I don't see you coming out of this stagnation. Even if you try, you won't be able to do so, because it's like, you are just going to be, just being wishful. But how long can you do that? How long you can put the other person on wait? It's not going to last long. This person is going to leave you. It's again, it's for some of you, your person might have already given you a warning. If you don't give them the commitment, they are going to leave you. And again, if you're not paying attention to the red flags, it's like, you have a strong chance of losing them, because I don't see you making any move forward. They are waiting right now for you to take that action. But if you don't take the action, and it seems like, you have been stagnant for quite some time already, and if you don't take that right action now, you have strong chance of losing them. Let me take two cards from the middle of the deck. Page of Wands, Seven of Cups. You're just keeping them hanging in there. It's like, the moment they tell you, okay, fine, I'm going to leave you, you are going to send them a message. You are going to reply them back with a little bit of, communication, but you are not taking the right action. I feel like, that energy has been going on and off between the two of you. You have been, every time you felt that they are going to leave you, you would just send them a message. You would just send them a nudge that, no, you care. No, you really want them. But you don't openly say anything to them. And it's like, you have been keeping them stagnant too with you. So it's not going to last longer. They have strong, there's a strong chance of them leaving you now, and if you continue doing the same to them. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.